Alright, boom. I ain't even go. I ain't gonna show you all that. Alright, I was gonna open the thing. You know what I'm saying? Alright, let's get it. I ain't used to getting boxes that look like this, so I don't really know the best way to open it. Ooh. Okay. Alright, bet. So we got this little container. Oh, okay, yeah, he did put both of them in here. Okay, bet. Boom, there's one. Boom, there's two. Alright. Yeah, I wonder which one I'm gonna open first. I don't even know. Don't say on the box, but hey, oh, there go this little stamp. Oh, okay, it's legit. Real Jacoje in the building. You know what I'm saying? This need to be the thumbnail for real. Let me do something goofy. Nah, that's stupid. Alright, anyway. Boom. Y'all see it? Jacoje, look. There's even gold on the box. Like, you know what I'm saying? That must shiny, shiny. You see that? Alright. I've been waiting too long. Let's get it. Alright, ta-da. Alright, I already know. What we opening? Oh, we just opened up the 2mm. It's the 2mm. Alright, chain style rope, millimeter length, 2mm, and this is a 20-inch. It's the 20-inch. The gram weight is 7.6 grams. The gold purity is 141G2. I can't read what he put. I'm gonna guess that's him. Packed by who? Raul? I think that says Raul. Damn. I sure thought I got that mug from Brady. But anyway, I don't know. It's all good. It's whatever. Alright. So, anyway. Alright, boom. This is a nice little package. Oh, a little sticker in the, you know what I'm saying? A little sticker in the cut. I was like, wait, who's that? Alright. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Like, yo, this is nice. This, just a little package where it comes. Boy, that shit is nice. I like that. I smelled it. Is that weird? I smelled that. I shouldn't have did that. That was weird. It's kind of like vanilla, though. Is that on purpose, Braden? I'm just... Oh, but anyway. Alright. So, yeah. It's my dope, yo. Like, for real. Like, the packaging. I like the packaging. Okay. Anyway, let's get to it. Okay, this is what I've really been waiting for. Like, y'all, I don't even know. Okay, boom. Boom. Ta-da. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. It's got some weight to it, so... You know, that's how you know it's a legit chain. Put it on the thing. I ain't gonna put... Ooh, that mug shining, dog. I ain't even gonna fade. That mug shining. As soon as it come out and hit that light, it shows shining bright like a diamond. What the fuck? Oh, this is a little Jacoje stamp. I'm like, yo. I thought this mug was all... I thought this dude... Bro, I thought it was broke. I'm like, is that where it's supposed to connect? That's a little stamp he got. Yo, that scared me like a mug. Wait a minute. I don't know, though. Wait a minute. Okay. Yeah, there's a little loop. Bruh. That scared me. I'm still kind of scared. So anyway, here it is. It's shining. It's beautiful. But like, I need to, I need to connect this joint because this got me scared. Hold up. I don't know about that. I ain't never seen nothing like that before. It's a stamp says the stamp says 14 karat. Yo, I'm like mad confused, bruh. Is there a certain way you supposed to hook this on, or is this shit like, bro? I'm super like weirded out. Okay, y'all, I'm super weirded out. I'm kind of pissed off, but I'm glad I opened this on here because I don't know what that's about, but I cannot connect the chain. I'm about to open the next one, see if it's just like that. Dang, bro, my hype is like killed. I don't know about that. I never even seen that on his unboxings. Like, I don't know what that's about, but we about to see what's up. Bro, I know you didn't send me no broke chain. See, in this one right here, it came right. Like, I'm super confused. This is a 3mm. It came how it's supposed to look. I mean, like, I'm happy. Like, dude, I ain't gonna lie. Like, I'm kind of pissed. What is this? Oh my gosh, bro. What the fuck is this? Like, am I supposed to do it myself? But why would I supposed to do it myself? I'm so freaking confused. Why would y'all send it like that? I'm so freaking confused. Dude, you sent me like a broke chain. Dude, what the fuck? Like, this is weak. I'm so glad I recorded this because, like, I'm literally about to send him this video. This is the worst, dude. I'm so freaking pissed off. Like, I can't even enjoy it. Like, 3mm, it looks dope, but I can't even enjoy it because I just paid for something else that came completely, like, broke. Yeah, bro. Like, dude, this is trash. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm freaking pissed off. I'm hella pissed off. I'm hella pissed off. I'm hella pissed off. I'm hella pissed off. So I'm about to send dude this shit. Like, what the fuck? Yo, what the fuck is this? Like, bruh. Oh my gosh, bro, that's so weak. I waited. Oh my goodness, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm pretty pissed off. I'm literally emailing dude right now. Like, forget the video. I don't know. I'm freaking pissed. I'm literally emailing dude right now. Like, this shit weak. Braden Homek. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I just sent dude an email. Oh my god, bro. I don't know. I'm hella salty about that. That just don't make sense. Why would they send it to me broke? Like, I'm hella confused. Am I supposed to put it on myself? That doesn't make sense. Why would I put, bro? This don't even feel like it's going to hold. I'm looking at the other one. Why would you send it to me like this? This doesn't make sense. Like, why? Kind of whack shit. Bro, this shit weak. Like, dude, like, bro, why would you pack me a fucking broke ass chain? And it wasn't from Braden, it's from some motherfucker named bro. What kind of bullshit? Dude, there's no way you can get this hoe on there. There's no way you can get that bullshit on there, bro. There's no way you can get that bullshit on there, bro. This motherfucker is trash. Oh my god, bro. I'm freaking the fuck out. I'm literally about to send dude like a Snapchat or something, because I don't have time to edit this video and even send it to him. Like, bro, I'm so freaking pissed off. Like, what the fuck? Okay, Brayden. Here's the 3mm. It came perfect. It's beautiful. I can't really enjoy it right now because I'm a little pissed off. Like, I'm hella confused. This piece was attached to this, but the chain was not connected to it. Like, it was just connected like I'm supposed to put it on there or something like that. I'm trying to put it on there, but it's not staying on there. I have my unboxing video. I'm literally just unboxed it. I did not break nothing. You will literally see that it came undone, and I was trying to figure out if that's just something you're supposed to do, but I've always seen your videos on YouTube, and I've never seen nothing like this. Please get back to me as soon as you can. Like, I'm super, like, I don't know, man. Like, I don't know what's going on. But this is not cool. This was unboxed by, I can't really, Daniel, I don't know the Dan, oh, shit. Beautiful. I can't really enjoy it right now because I'm a little pissed off. Like, I'm hella confused. This piece was attached to this, but the chain was not connected to it. Like, it was just... How did this nigga just... Oh, man, bruh. Worst unboxing ever, dude. This one came perfect. This one came the way it's supposed to look. It looks nice, but like, bro, I'm not even about to. Yeah, bro, like that shit's supposed to be like welded on there. Like, there ain't no just pinching it on there. Dude, you literally sent me something broke, bruh. That's crazy as hell. I straight got this shit and it was broke as hell. Like, bro, you can't be serious. I'm trying to pinch the thing on there, but like, no, that's supposed to be like welded. Okay, well, that's a wrap.